We are in, guys, we are in a small village.
There's a flower.
You know, we are in summer holiday. This is summertime. You know, summertime in Europe is always a
When I was going somewhere
happening
else.
time when people used to go different places to take pictures, take family around, move around, do Christmas for your eye. Free. Look at big fish. Look at that fish swimming. Look at that big fish. You see giant fish swimming under the river. Look at the I seen it. I see big fish swimming.
I saw
Look at them. Look at them. They're many. Look at them. Look at them. Look at the big fish. You see. Show them. You see them under the water. You see how well organized these people is. They have fishes, very giant fishes, but you cannot. But you cannot touch any of them. Look at them. You can see the fish. I see giant fishes swimming. I remember that this is Africa. You see them. You see big fishes. Look at them swimming front and back. Anyone that made mistake and catch any fish from here, that person automatically is going to jail. You see a lot of fishes moving around here. That is how organized they are. People here in Germany, they normally have a certificate. For you to be a fisherman, for you to fish in any river, you must go to government. Government must give you a certificate that shows that you are a fisherman, certified fisherman. Nobody will arrest you. Anytime you feel like fishing, you go there. But they have minimum. Not that you go there and fish all the whole fishes once. Maximum 3 or 4 fishes for a day. And you still have another time, maybe once in 2 months or once in 3 months. That's how it is there, so that the younger and smaller fishes can come up and grow up again. You can see this giant one. See giant one here. So they make it a way whereby someone can be able to provide more. You can see this is bridge. It's under the bridge, so people are passing through up. People are passing up. So this place is well organized. You can look at it. Very well organized. Very fine place. But this kind of smaller rivers, we have a lot of these smaller rivers in our place, but maintenance is a problem. The most problem we are having in our African soil is maintenance. There are some things we have in our land. Look at. You see them? The dogs are doing their own, fishes are doing their own. But in Africa, we have this kind of places, but nobody will have time to. Government doesn't care. People doesn't care. Some villages, we went to the villages. Some villages have a very beautiful waters, but nobody goes there to maintain them. Nobody goes there to take care of the water or the things inside. You see some of big rivers start drying up. Before some years, you see everywhere become very tiny, and the next thing you see is close up. But look at them, not like here in Europe here. Anywhere sometimes they used to use their hand to construct, design a special river. That is here, dry land. They will convert that land. They will convert that land to a beautiful island. They channel water from one direction to that place. Most places in Germany here. There are so many areas here in Germany. That's a system Germany has. They channel water into every village. Every village here has water. Water passes through every village. They channel the water so that whenever there's so much rain, or when the river is filled up, the river never affect the community. That's how well organized this people is. They organize everything very well. You see, the fishes are doing their own, because they see big fishes. Fishes are doing their own. Dogs are doing their own. So you can see this place is a very beautiful place. You see, this is where people used to pass. They designed it in a way that is car park, that area where people park car. And this is where people come. You see direction here. If you want to go up, you can pass through this right side. It goes up, then you can pass through the bridge. If you want to go up, cross the bridge. If you want to go the other direction, And here is very big, giant, a very big place. They have a very big, giant stadium here where they used to play ball. My son, they have matches. They have match here today. So that's why we are here in this beautiful small city. So my son, they will be having match here with team from this very village. So we brought him here for them to play their match. So that's why we're here, and we just let's use the opportunity. You can see him here, the footballer. That's why we're here to do one or two things here before the match will start. Very beautiful place. This village is very organized, very well organized. Very beautiful place. And that's why I always talk about African leaders. African leaders are very wicked, very wicked. They never see anything good in Africa. They never wanted to do something for the people. They never want the citizens to have a better life or have a good living. See them? So, but here that is not like that. The first thing they think of here is how to better our community, how to give our people better life, how to make them feel comfortable. Just look at it. Well organized. This is their hall. If I do something, this is the town hall. You see? Whenever they do something, this is where they're doing something. You can see chairs inside. This is the town hall. How many things happen? Look at nice, very beautiful place. And the most thing is this. You see this symbol here? This symbol here has a sign. This symbol here has a sign here in Germany. So that the people paralyzed people, they have a special place where they used to pass. So they'll come down from there, from up there. You see this door? Are you seeing this door here? This door is where they used to come out. So they have to bring them down from up because they cannot be able to pass the steps. So they have to pass up this building. You see the building? From this building from up, they will come down through this place. Down here, then they have to walk out through this place. For them, but somebody must be there to help them. They will pass through this place, then to this side, then they continue from here to feed the city. So you want to have a better view here. This is where you're gonna pass. To have a better view how things is happening here. You can see how beautiful the place is. You see the kids are having a wonderful time. The kids are having a wonderful time. I love this place. Very good. I love nature. That's one thing about life. Nature is so beautiful. If you don't appreciate nature, that's not how you say I appreciate God. Because God is nature. So for you to say I love God, you must love nature. So a situation whereby you don't like never like nature, that means you don't like God. First of all, see, this is where they play ball. Very beautiful and very giant place. This side is another side of it. Look at the other pitch that side. Different pitches here. Look at very large and very beautiful place. And across that side, there's big stadium across that side. This building, in front of the building, across the other side, there's heavy, bigger stadium that side. Bigger stadium where they play bigger league. But here is for junior teams, and they're training pitch as well. You can see how organized the place is. This is water side. You can see water side is everywhere. You can see water here near the water side. This is water side. Very beautiful place. Very greenish. Very greenish. Like someone like me that love nature so much, this is the type of place I normally like to visit. When you come here, you feel free, you feel relaxed. And see, well organized. Look at chairs here. Look at chairs here. Look at chairs. You can relax here. When you come here, if you feel tired, if you walk around and feel tired, then you stop here. If you have some drinks, you can take your drinks. Want to have a fun, have a better fun here. This is very neat and everywhere is cool, clean. If you're here with your family, you have enough time to enjoy here, have enough places to do things. You can see these people here. These ones are already here eating their own stuff. You see these things. This are basketball. So this is basketball pitch. The basketball pitch. You see how organized. So this is when they want to play it now. There's something they have to press, and it will rise up after playing, then they press it, it will fold, automatically fold. See? When they are through, they fold it. This is through this way, and through the other way. So this is the entrance to that place. Very beautiful place.